Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Adams Teaches Poetry. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Grace Nichols' poem, Hurricane Hits England. This video is going to take you through the content, context, and form, so it's only a very quick one. If you are interested in getting some analysis done, there is another video coming your way, so do subscribe so you will get that notification. But for now, let's get started. So what is this poem all about? In this poem, Grace Nichols, who is the narrator, it's an autobiographical poem, listens to the sounds of a ferocious storm happening. And while she does that, it makes her think about her own cultural identity, and it makes her think about her roots. And the poem is all about her sort of coming to terms with the fact that she's moved to the UK and thinking about sort of where she fits in the world. So she was born in 1950, she's still with us now, and she is originally from Guyana. And so will have been used to lots and lots of kind of tropical storms and hurricanes. She moved over in 1987, and this date is actually really important because it was that year that the UK had the Great Storm of 1987, which did a phenomenal amount of damage. And this is the actual storm that she is talking about in the poem. So it is a real moment in time. And like I said before, it leads her to kind of consider ideas to do with cultural identity, which is a topic she writes about a lot in her poem. So it fits in quite well with all of the other body of work. Okay, in terms of form, it is free verse. You can see that very, very clearly from here that there is a lot of irregularity, and there are parts of the poem that you could argue are almost sort of shape forms, like shape poems. Not the entire thing, but there is the odd little moment, and I'll look at this stanza in a bit more detail when I'm doing the 5 key quotes. But you can see here, the blinding illumination, even as you short circuit us, almost looks like the lightning that it's describing. So that's quite a handy thing to talk about for form. And you can see all the way through there is varied stanza and line length for you to consider. Particularly, you're going to want to draw attention to things like this, that, oh, why is my heart unchained, being a stanza in its own right, even though it's just one line. Those are all really useful form and structure points that you can consider. That's actually it. Easy context, easy form. Hopefully you've jotted that down on your flashcards ready to revise. Tune into the next video where we will look at 5 key quotations. Thanks so much. Happy revising.